Here the third type of the filter circuit is a pi filter circuit. There is a question: explain the working of pi filter circuit with neat diagram and its waveform. So here the diagram is shown. In pi filter circuit, it is seen that there are two capacitors are used, two electronic capacitors are used, C1 and C2, and one inductor coil L is used. One inductor coil or choke L is used. So it is a combination of two capacitors C1 and C2 and inductor coil L. Inductor coil L, it is connected in series. Capacitor C1 and C2, they are in parallel to the rectifier output. The pulsating output of a rectifier circuit, here the pulsating output, which is the input for the pi filter circuit, is applied between terminal 1 and 2. Here the pulsating output of rectifier circuit is applied between terminal 1 and 2 that contain AC plus DC component. The filtering action of capacitor C1, L and C2 is as follow. The first capacitor, filter capacitor C1, it shows very low reactance to the AC component. It shows very low reactance to the AC component. So that capacitor C1 pass AC component through it of the rectifier output, and it shows very high reactance to the DC component. Capacitor C1 shows high reactance to the DC component, so it block DC component. So that DC component is blocked by the capacitor C1 is passed to the inductor coil L. Now what happened? The next inductor coil L, that choke L, it shows higher reactance. Inductor coil L shows higher reactance to the AC component and low reactance to the DC component. According to its property, inductor L shows higher reactance to AC component and low reactance to the DC component. So it block, inductor L block unbypass AC component, which is filled by the capacitor C1, and pass DC component through it. So that inductor L pass only DC component through it, and it block here, it block AC component, it block AC component which is unbypassed by the capacitor C. Now at this point, the second filter capacitor C2, its filtering action is that capacitor C2, it bypass capacitor C2, it bypass AC component which the choke has to field to block. Therefore only pure DC component is appeared across the load RL. So that capacitor C2 again pass AC component through it, which the choke has to fail to block, and only pure DC component which is applied across the load RL. So we get most pure form of DC at the output. So we get most pure form of DC at the output as compared to the other filter circuits. So in pi filter circuit, it is a combination of two electrolytic capacitors C1 and C2 and inductor coil L. Here capacitor C1 shows low reactance to the AC component and high reactance to the DC component. Therefore capacitor C1 bypass AC component through it and it block DC component. Inductor L or choke L shows higher reactance to the AC component and low reactance to the DC component, so it block and bypass AC component filled by the capacitor C1 and pass DC component through it. And the second capacitor C2, it bypass AC component which the choke has to fail to block. Therefore only pure DC component appear across the load RL. So we get most pure form of DC as compared to the other filter circuits. Now the next topic, that is the advantages and disadvantages of the filter circuit. Here in first capacitor filter circuits, what are the advantages of that capacitor filter circuit? It reduces ripples up to 48%. That is the full rectified circuit to 5%. It is suitable for low current and high output voltage circuits. That is the second advantage of the capacitor filter circuit. It is suitable for the low current and high output voltage circuits, and it is low cost and small size circuits. That is the advantages of the capacitor filter circuit. The main disadvantage of the capacitor filter circuit, it is not suitable for heavy load current. So it is not used for the heavy load current. Now the second filter circuit, that is the choke input filter circuit. Advantage of the choke input filter circuit is that ripple is minimized for heavy load current. For heavy load current, the output ripples are minimized. So that is the advantage of the choke input filter circuit, and the output is a smooth DC. That is the second advantage of the choke input filter circuit. Its disadvantage is that disadvantage of the choke input filter circuit is that first disadvantage, it is not suitable for high output voltage and low load current. It is not suitable for the high output voltage and low load current. That is the disadvantage. The size of inductor coil is big and cost is high. That is also disadvantage. The proper value of coil design is difficult. That is also disadvantage. Assembly on the circuit is difficult as compared to the capacitor filter circuits. So that is the disadvantages of the choke input filter circuits. Now next, the third filter circuit, that is the pi filter circuit. Its advantages are: first advantage that due to double filter action, it reduces ripple up to very small value. There is no ripple at the output. Ripple is reduced to a very small value, and it is suitable for both heavy load current and heavy output voltage. Heavy output voltage. So that is the disadvantages of the pi filter circuit. Due to double filter action, it reduces ripple up to very small value, and it is suitable for